Tired of the weight that crept back after your gastric sleeve surgery? It's time to try something bold. The Carnivore Diet. Imagine eating your fill of meats and cheeses and watching the pounds drop off. Whether you're ready to jump in or take it slow, we've got the top 7 tips to make this journey work with your small pouch. Let's beat that weight regain together with tasty, satisfying meals. Here we go. Ease into it or dive right in. You've got 2 paths here. Feeling bold? Jump straight into meats, dairy, and eggs. Expect a bit of a wild ride as your body adjusts. Or, if you're more about the slow and steady, start by cutting out processed foods and grains. Then gradually say goodbye to fruits and veggies. Your body will thank you for the gentle transition. Next, starting with digestible options. If you've recently had your gastric sleeve surgery, lean towards fish and dairy for easier digestion. These options are gentle on your sleeve and still pack a flavorful punch. Tip number 3, a day on your plate. Imagine waking up to crispy bacon and eggs, munching on a juicy cheese-topped hamburger patty for lunch, and ending the day with a buttery salmon patty for dinner. This diet is all about savoring those rich, satisfying flavors. Next up, managing cravings and transition foods. If cravings hit, lean on dairy and processed meats like pepperoni and salami for comfort. They'll help smooth over the transition with their variety in textures and flavors. Just focus on getting through the initial phase. You can fine-tune your diet later. Our next tip is about portion control, sleeve style. Our sleeves are the ultimate portion control tool. When it comes to meat, the pouch won't let you overeat. Aim to eat about half a pound of meat per meal to keep your pouch happy and full. It's all about listening to your body and eating to satisfaction. Tip number 6, hydration and salt. With carbs taking a backseat, your body will shed water and sodium. Keep headaches and flu-like symptoms at bay by upping your salt intake with high-quality mineral-rich salt, like Redmond's Real Salt. A pinch in your water bottle can do wonders for keeping those electrolytes balanced. This next tip is an important one. Digestion takes time. Meat takes its sweet time to digest, which means you'll feel full longer. While others on the carnivore diet might do 1 meal a day because they can eat up to 2 pounds in one sitting, we, with our unique post-surgical needs, have to approach things differently. Our strategy involves eating 3 smaller meals each day to stay satisfied without overwhelming our pouches. Now that we've talked about what to eat and how much, let's look at when we should eat. For optimal weight loss and hormone health, the timing of when you eat is just as important, if not more important than what you eat. It's so important that I've made an entire video to cover this one topic. Click on the video on your screen to join me in the meal timing video and learn all about timing your carnivore meals for your best health.